Javelin going up, be careful. Guy in the back on the bus. Damn it, son. Hey, flesh balloon, thank you for the $10, homie. Enemies, it's your boy. Come on out. Thank you, flesh balloons. Wow, this guy just pushed up on me, son.
I'm on your side.
Make that mistake.
Damn. Are you using a Signal 50?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I just picked it up.
It's overpowered, dog.
Mm-hmm.
Every sniper I picked up except the SB50 has been great. Now you gotta let the heater cook.
Did a lot of things wrong in this game, but I really like in this game the way the guns sounded.
They have a really good presentation.
Mm-hmm.
I just wish the maps were better.
Yeah, same. I just filed my own taxes yesterday. I should be in jail by Tuesday.
Hey, John Bono. See you tomorrow, dude. Like, this Signal 50 is probably going to go into my search repertoire, though. It's just good. Had to have that shotgun on me. Said, oh my God, it's a fire.
Oh my.
Bottom of A. Got another guy on the top of,
What are you doing in that corner, bro? Come on.
Ooh, almost got you. Oh, pushed up on me on radio tower. Oh, they're all in the bar. Damn it, son. Being too aggressive.
Being destroyed by this Ryan guy.
Like, this map is just so hit or miss.
I like this one. Yeah, that guy's nasty as a Deagle, dude.
Alright, let's return the favor. Never mind. I ain't no returning the favor. I get shotgun. I am probably negative this game.
You go, you got both of them. 7 more boys.
I am fucking throwing.
Motherfucker came back on us. Oh my
Jesus
God.
Christ. GG's.
So somebody had to go super negative. That might have been me.
That's me. Oh, what? Doesn't help.
Fucking losers, man. You're a fat fuck. You're a fucking dumb fuck, man. Fuck off. Get a life. Get a life.
Alright, boys, that's it for me tonight.